Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're counting down the top 5 robot vacuums. Whether you need deep cleaning, advanced mapping, or self-emptying features, we've got you covered. To see the prices and more info about the vacuums, you can find the links in the description. Let's jump right in. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Shark Matrix Plus. If you're looking for a reliable and budget-friendly robot vacuum, this is a great pick. It features True HEPA filtration, which captures 99.97% of dust and allergens, perfect for allergy sufferers. The self-cleaning brush roll prevents hair tangling, making it ideal for pet owners. Plus, its AI-powered Matrix Clean navigation ensures it covers every inch of your home systematically. The downside? It's not as powerful as some premium models, but it still delivers solid performance for the price. At number 4, we have the Roborock S8 Pro. This vacuum is a powerhouse, featuring dual roller brushes that provide exceptional deep cleaning. It also comes with ultrasonic carpet detection, which increases suction when it detects a rug or carpet. One of its standout features is the advanced AI-powered navigation system, ensuring precise movement and obstacle avoidance. It also integrates seamlessly with smart home devices. The only downside? The price is a bit on the higher side, but the performance justifies it. Coming in at number 3 is the Eureka J15 Pro Ultra. This is a fantastic 2-in-1 vacuum and mop combo, making it a great option for those with both hard floors and carpets. With AI-powered laser navigation, the J15 Pro Ultra scans your home and creates precise cleaning paths. It also has a self-emptying dust bin, so you don't have to worry about emptying it after every use. The only downside? Its mopping feature, while decent, isn't as advanced as some higher-end models. But for the price, it's a great all-in-one cleaning solution. At number 2, we have the Dream X30 Ultra, a true cleaning beast. It features dual spinning mop pads that scrub floors more effectively than most robot vacuums. Plus, it comes with AI obstacle avoidance, meaning it can dodge furniture, cables, and even pet messes with ease. One of its best features is the auto-cleaning and drying dock, which washes and dries the mop pads after each session. This means you get hands-free maintenance. The only drawback? It's a premium model, so it comes with a premium price tag. But if you want high-end features, this one is a fantastic choice. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is the Eufy S1 Pro, the most advanced robot vacuum. This model features cutting-edge LiDAR navigation, allowing it to map your home with extreme accuracy. Its powerful suction, self-emptying base, and auto-lift mop make it an absolute game-changer. What really sets it apart is its AI-driven cleaning customization, which learns your home's layout and adjusts cleaning patterns for maximum efficiency. While it's on the expensive side, if you're looking for the ultimate robot vacuum experience, the Eufy S1 Pro is the best choice. So, there you have it, our top 5 robot vacuums. Which one fits your needs best? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.